Hello everyone, this is Tina, Ayurvedic Medico BHU. In this video, I'm going to tell you the things which you should buy for the first year and also the tips for the first day of college. So first of all, let me congratulate you guys for getting BMS college. Soon you are going to treat the patient with Indian medicine. You should feel proud for that. And so let's start, guys. So for the books, you can watch my video on BMS books for first year. I'll give the link in the description below. And one major doubt I want to clear, guys, is that whether the books are available in Hindi only or these are available in English also. So this is the major doubt I was looking in the comment. So let me tell you guys, the books are available in English also, but the thing is you can get a different writer. So books are definitely available in English also. So don't worry guys, because in some regions of India people don't know Hindi but they are still studying Ayurveda. So books are available in English also and some regional languages also. And the second most important thing is the apron. And the apron is not like which we used to wear in the 12th standard. The apron is of knee length and is of 6 buttons. So this type of apron you should buy. And the third thing is for the practicals. You should buy some things. There was one doubt also that whether in Ayurveda practicals are there or just the theory is there only. So let me clear this, guys. There are so many practicals in first year, modern plus Ayurveda. Both practicals are there in first year. So you need not to worry for that. For anatomy practical, you should buy one kit just like this, dissection kit, and from inside. So this is the kit we should buy, and also you should buy gloves and also surgical mask. So these are requirement for anatomy practical. And for physiology practicals, you should buy a needle. These are the needle you can see, and also slide. This is the slide. You can see this is the slide. So these are the requirement for physiology practical. You should buy formal dress. You should ask from your seniors, and also in BHU if you have got admission, then you can buy formal shirt and pant for boys, white shirt and black pant. And for girls, for first year you have to wear salwar and kurta. So it can be of any color, okay, and apron is also there. So these are the requirements for first year. And one thing you should make clear that guys, these requirements may vary according to your college. So first of all, you should ask from your seniors also. And now it's the time for the tips for first day of college. So for the first day, you need not to worry about the studies and all. You just have to give introduction so many times, because every teacher is going to ask you the introduction of yourself. So prepare the introduction. Like basic introduction will be there, like the name, your previous school, where are you from, and your NEET marks and all that. Just the basic introduction you should prepare. And the assistant professors, the professors are going to tell you about what is Ayurveda, because most of the NEET aspirants don't know about Ayurveda. So they are going to give you the introduction about Ayurveda. And my first day, every teacher was giving the introduction about Ayurveda, and I was just having fun. In the introduction of Ayurveda, they are going to tell you the slok like Swasthasya Swasthya Rakshanam Aturasya Vikar Prashmanam Cha. This is prayojan of Ayurveda. So it means स्वस्थ व्यक्ति के स्वास्थ्य की रक्षा करना, और आतुर व्यक्ति, आतुर यानी जो बीमार व्यक्ति होता है उसकी रोग का शमन करना. तो स्वस्थस्य स्वास्थ्य रक्षणम एंड आतुरस्य विकार प्रशमनम च. तो ये श्लोक आपको बार बार सुनने को मिलेगा. एंड व्हाट इज आयुर्वेद, ये मोस्ट पॉपुलर क्वेश्चन है फर्स्ट डे के लिए. तो ये सब आपको बताया जाएगा. और जहाँ तक ड्रेसिंग की बात है तो आपको फॉर्मल में ही जाना है और इतना मतलब कोई जीन्स वगैरह पहन के नहीं जाना है, मतलब स्टाइल में नहीं जाना है. और वन मोर थिंग आई वांट टू से इज दैट guys, you need not to worry about the first day of college because you are just going to give your introduction, and also you are going to know about your batchmates, about your teachers, assistant professors. So you are just going to have fun only. And also you need not to worry about your requirements for the first year, about the things which you should buy for the first year. On the first day, the professors, assistant professors are going to tell you the things which are required for the first year. So don't worry, just enjoy your moments and you are definitely going to have fun. In BHU, initially there will be online classes only, and after that maybe in March you will get notification of offline classes. So till then you should study in online mode only. If you have some doubt, then you can comment below. I will definitely going to answer all the comments. And also if you want to have some video on particular topic, then also you can tell me. I will definitely make video on that. If you want to have such more videos, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.